Hey everyone, you know what? Have you ever just sat there and thought about how cool it would be to, let's say, transport yourself to a tropical island or maybe even a scene from your favorite movie, and all while just sitting at home? Well, guess what? You can actually make that happen, and honestly, it's way easier than you think it is. Today, we're going to dive deep, really deep, into how to use the Chroma Key function in CapCut to make your video fantasies a reality. So stick around, trust me, because this tool can truly take your content creation to a whole new level. Alright, so first off, why should you even care about using CapCut's Chroma Key function? Well, you see, for starters, CapCut offers this super user-friendly yet pretty darn powerful tool for both beginners and professionals. And did I mention it's free? Yeah, you heard me right, it's free. You can access it on your mobile device or, hey, even your desktop, making it super accessible. Okay, so who is this tool really perfect for? Look, if you're a video creator, a YouTuber, a vlogger, then this one's definitely for you. But, it's not just limited to that. Like, if you're an educator and you're wanting to make your online classes more engaging by, I don't know, lecturing from the pyramids of Egypt, or you're a gamer and you want to put yourself right inside the game, then this tool is totally for you. Now, let's get into the nuts and bolts, shall we? Open CapCut and go ahead, import the video you're working on. Once you've got that sorted, tap the overlay button, then add overlay, and choose your green screen clip. So, now, here comes the magic, seriously. Tap the clip, scroll down to the Chroma Key button, and select the shade of green you want to replace. Slide that intensity control until you're, like, super happy with the look. And voila, you've just replaced your green screen with whatever background you've been dreaming of. Hold on, before we go on, here are some quick pro tips. Make sure your green screen is evenly lit. Trust me, uneven lighting will make it so much harder for the software to remove the green cleanly. And oh, here's a fun fact. Try to avoid wearing green unless you want to become, like, a floating head in your video or something. So, what are the creative possibilities here? Well, let's say you're a travel vlogger. You could film yourself against a green screen and then use Chroma Key to put yourself, like, right in front of the Eiffel Tower or even the Grand Canyon. Or maybe you're a gamer. Imagine creating a video where you actually appear to be inside the world of Minecraft or Fortnite. I mean, honestly, the sky's the limit here. And the benefits? Oh man, besides the obvious fun factor, using Chroma Key can save you some really valuable time and resources. No need for those super expensive location shoots or those elaborate setups. Plus, it can make your videos so much more compelling, which means more eyeballs on your content. If you're thinking, wow, I want to deepen my skills, well, you're not alone, my friend. There are tons of resources out there to help you master Chroma Key in CapCut, like their Help Center or, hey, you could check out some YouTube tutorials. So don't be shy, go ahead and experiment, and don't hesitate to ask for help. So to sum it all up, the Chroma Key function in CapCut is pretty much like a magic wand for video creators. It lets you create these visually stunning videos that can truly set you apart in what is a super crowded content landscape. So go ahead, download CapCut and start turning your creative dreams into some actual video magic. If this video was helpful to you, and you're as pumped about the creative potential of Chroma Key as I am, go ahead and hit that like button, maybe drop a comment below, and oh, don't forget to subscribe for more insights into video editing. Alright, thanks so much for tuning in.